Dear friends, I am Dr. Manish Kumar Gupta. I am a consultant laparoscopic and robotic surgeon at Sir Gangaram Hospital. I have my own clinic with the name New Life Clinic at Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. Today, friends, I will be talking about gallbladder stones, which is a very common problem in North India. The gallbladder is basically a pear-shaped organ which is attached to the liver, and the bile which is formed in the liver gets stored in the gallbladder, which is later goes into the intestine and get mixed with the food to cause digestion of the food. Whenever the component of the bile like cholesterol or bile pigment increases, there is formation of gallbladder stones. The symptoms of gallbladder stones are basically distension of abdomen after having heavy meals, or sour eructations or discomfort, or sometimes patient can have pain in the right side of the upper abdomen, or which can radiate to the back and the shoulder. Sometimes these gallbladder stones can be silent stones and they lie in the gallbladder without causing any symptoms. But if these stones are in patients having diabetes, or if these stones are very large, like more than 2 centimeters in size, then the treatment is required. The diagnosis of gallbladder stones is very simple. By a simple ultrasound abdomen, one can be easily diagnosed whether the patient is having a gallbladder stones or not, and it's almost a confirmatory diagnosis. One do not need a very special investigations or tests to get diagnosed these gallbladder stones. The treatment for gallbladder stones is basically surgery. There is nothing like you can't do anything to prevent gallbladder stones to form. But yes, if you eat less oily or less fatty meals, the symptoms get relieved to some extent. As I told you that the treatment is surgery. Nowadays there is no big cut in the tummy to take out the gallbladder, but what we do nowadays is a laparoscopic surgery. In laparoscopic surgery, we make 3 or 4 pencil size holes in the abdomen, and through these holes we operate. Through one hole we put a cylinder like camera inside, and by 2 or 3 ports we put our instruments inside and get these gallbladder removed from the abdomen through a 10 millimeter port. Nowadays this type of surgery is basically a daycare surgery, and one can come to the hospital and get operated and can be discharged on the very same day if it's an uncomplicated gallbladder. Gallbladder can cause complications also other than these symptoms, and if the stone gets slipped down and gets impacted in a common bile duct, which is a channel which joins the gallbladder to the intestine, and if the stone gets impacted in the common bile duct, then one has to take out that stone endoscopically through ERCP, and then after that one has to go for gallbladder stone removal. So it's a like a 2-stage procedure. So one should not wait to get all these complications to occur, because if the stone gets impacted at the in the CVD, then the chances of jaundice, chances of acute pancreatitis can occur, which is really a very dreaded complication. So friends, I have told you about the gallbladder stones, and if you have such problems, if you have gallbladder stones, even though it's asymptomatic or you have symptoms, then you should go to a surgeon or a physician who can guide you and can tell you what need to be done. Or if you want to meet me, you can come to me at Sir Gangaram Hospital or at my clinic, which is in Indrapuram with the name New Life Clinic, or you can talk to me through Librate. You can chat me, you can text me at the librate.com, and I will be available 24 hours to you. Thank you, friends. Thank you.